will show you how to design or how to use the pre-made 3D mockup from yellowimages.com. So again guys, before we start, please subscribe and click the notification bell. So let's start. So as you can see here, we have here a polo shirt, which is it has a header pattern or header look on the fabric. So it means that once we apply any color that we like in the fabric, it will have a header or header effect look on the fabric itself. So again, always lock these highlights and shadows. Okay, now we're going to apply black and gray color on this polo shirt. So double click in this smarts and click the color overlay. So I already selected this gray. Click OK. Now we will going to apply the black contrast color on the lower part. So click on rectangle tool, make sure the stroke is no color and fill is black. So click on this area, then click and drag, then release. Okay, now we will going to move that on the upper part of the smarts folder. Okay, adjust. Then we are going to duplicate this. Just click Ctrl J or Command J in your keyboard, then right click that, then rasterize. Then we are going to move this up to create a thin stripe, just like so. Okay, hit enter. Now duplicate that once again and move up. Okay, now select both stripes, then right click, then click the convert to smart object. Okay, as you can see, we have excess line in both left and right. So again, right click this layer, then rasterize. Then we're going to scroll down to look for this body part. Just click and hold the command or control in your keyboard, then click once until you see this running lights. Okay, now go up, then in your keyboard hit shift and control or command at the same time, then letter I, then click delete. So it will going to remove the excess lines on the left and right area. Okay, to deselect, just hit command D or control D. Okay, now we are going to duplicate this once again, then click, hold and drag on the sleeves area, then rotate. Okay, we will going to apply 2 stripes in this area. Now hit enter, then go down, look for the sleeves, then click and hold the command or control in your keyboard, then again hit shift and control or command in your keyboard, then click I, then delete. So we will again to deselect, control D or command D. Okay, duplicate, control J or command J, then click and hold and drag on the other side, then click edit, transform and flip horizontal. Okay, then just adjust a little bit, copy the exact look on the stripes on the other side. Now we will apply the gray color on this inner part of the placket. Just double click. Okay, then in this area, hit command or control V to paste the gray color that we copied earlier. Then that's it, we have our fashionable polo shirt. Again, you can put your logo on the upper left part on this area, upper left part chest on this area. So if you need any custom designs for your clothing line, may it be fashion line or sportswear, you can ask a designer in yellowimages.com to create one for you. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Again, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks, guys.